Do you ever feel a mysterious rumble in your tummy? Or that nagging discomfort after a meal that just won't go away? What if I told you the secret to a calmer, happier gut isn't a fancy supplement, but something as simple as broccoli or cabbage? Today, we're diving into the unsung heroes of gut health, cruciferous vegetables. Stick around to discover exactly how these everyday foods can quiet inflammation and kickstart healing in your digestive system. Cruciferous veggies, think broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, and kale, are more than just healthy side dishes. They're packed with unique plant compounds that act like tiny warriors inside your gut, fighting off unwelcome invaders and soothing irritation. The star player here is a compound called sulforaphane, released when you chop or chew these amazing vegetables. Sulforaphane is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent, known for its ability to protect your cells from damage and reduce oxidative stress. But it's not just sulforaphane. These veggies also contain indole-3 carbinol and other glucosinolates, which are converted into beneficial compounds in your body. These compounds work together to actively reduce inflammation in your intestinal lining, the delicate barrier that's crucial for nutrient absorption and overall health. Think of them as a soothing balm for an irritated gut, helping to repair and strengthen that vital barrier, leading to better digestion and comfort. So how exactly do we invite these gut-healing powerhouses into our daily meals to reap all these amazing benefits? First, consider how you cook them. Lightly steaming or roasting cruciferous vegetables helps preserve their beneficial compounds. Overcooking can diminish their potency, so aim for tender crisp. Try a simple roasted broccoli with a drizzle of olive oil and a pinch of salt and pepper. This method brings out their natural sweetness and makes them incredibly delicious. Perfect for a quick weeknight side dish. Next, get creative. Shredded cabbage or finely chopped cauliflower can disappear into almost any dish without you even noticing. Add a handful of riced cauliflower to your rice or finely chopped kale into your pasta sauce for an invisible nutrient boost. You can even blend a handful of spinach or kale into your morning smoothie. Trust me, you won't taste it, but your gut will thank you. Finally, explore the world of fermented cruciferous vegetables like sauerkraut or kimchi. Fermentation not only enhances their beneficial compounds, but also adds gut-friendly probiotics. A double whammy for gut health. A small serving with your meals can introduce diverse bacteria to your gut microbiome, further aiding digestion and reducing inflammation. Starting with just 1-2 cups of these amazing vegetables weekly can make a noticeable difference in how your gut feels and functions. Remember, supporting your gut health doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. It can be as simple as adding more cruciferous vegetables to your plate. Small, consistent dietary changes truly add up to big health improvements over time, paving the way for a happier, healthier you. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a like and subscribe to Greenplate for more easy ways to nourish your body. What's your favorite cruciferous veggie? Share in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.